Years, I want to think twice before eating holstermine watermelon. It's refreshing, hydrating, and one of the healthiest fruits you can put on your plate. But like any fresh produce, if it becomes contaminated before you eat it, tiny parasites or their eggs could occasionally hitch a ride. Fortunately, years, I want to go salmon in places with good food safety practices. Still, understanding what happens inside your beak can help you protect yourself. So let's follow the journey. The moment you swallow that bite of watermelon, it slides down your esophagus and lands in your stomach. Years, I want your stomach isn't a welcoming place. It's filled with powerful acid and destroy many harmful microbes. For most bacteria and parasites, this is where the journey ends, but some parasites have evolved remarkable survival strategies. Years, I want to go somewhere different with this converse shells or exist in forms called cysts that can temporarily resist stomach acid. And this is where things start to get interesting. If one of these hardy organisms survives, it moves into your small intestine. Here, the environment changes completely. The acid fades. Years, I want to go somewhere everywhere. It's warm, moist, and full of the resources many parasites need to activate. Some microscopic parasites, such as Giardia, can attach to the lining of the small intestine. Instead of invading your entire body, they stay right there. Years, interfering with how your intestines absorb nutrients and water. At first, you might not notice anything at all. Days can pass before symptoms appear, then suddenly your stomach feels unsettled. You develop bloating, cramping, nausea, or diarrhea. You feel unusually tired. Years, I want to go some absorbing nutrients as efficiently. Even though you're eating normally, your body isn't absorbing swallowed a parasite. In fact, food poisoning, viruses, or even eating too much fruit can cause similar symptoms. Years, I want persistent or severe symptoms deserve medical attention rather than guesswork. And here's another fact: many appear inside fruit. Contamination usually happens through unsafe water, poor sanitation, infected soil. Years, I want to go somewhere before the food reaches your kitchen. That's why something as simple as washing fresh produce, using clean cutting boards, and washing your hands before preparing foods to significantly reduce your risk. Your immune system also plays an important role. Every day, years, it identifies and refracts countless unwanted microbes before they ever become a problem. Most healthy people never realize how much work their immune system is doing behind the scenes. So while the idea of a parasite hiding in a watermelon sounds frightening, years, I want to go somewhere different with this conversation. And especially when food is grown, transported, and prepared safely, the real takeaway isn't to fear watermelon, it's to respect food safety. Because sometimes the biggest health risks aren't visible at all. And the small habits you barely think about, years, are often the ones quietly protecting your body every single day.